What's the meaning of cinema? Cinema. Cinema.
Cinema. Cinema. Cinema refers to a form of art that involves the production, distribution, and exhibition of motion pictures. It is an influential medium of storytelling and entertainment that has a significant impact on culture, society, and the economy. The history of cinema dates back to the late 19th century, and since then, it has evolved into a global industry that generates billions of dollars in revenue each year. As a cultural phenomenon, cinema reflects the values, aspirations, and concerns of the society and serves as a platform for artistic expression, education, and enlightenment.